Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a shortcut or formula for sum becoming n times at compound interest. Then we'll apply this formula and answer a couple of questions. In the previous session, we have discussed the simple interest chain where sum keeps getting doubled and then becomes n times there. Similarly, in compound interest, how this chain works. Let's say if x rupees principal, let's say in 5 years, it has become 2x, that is doubled. How this x becomes 2x? X rupees principal will earn x rupees interest, that's why it is becoming 2x. For the next 5 years, because it is compound interest, we calculate interest not only on the initial sum but also the interest accrued, that means on 2x. For 1x, if it is x rupees interest, for 2x for the next 5 years, interest will be 2x, it will become 4x. For next 5 years, we calculate interest on the total amount 4x. So 4x will be the interest, so it becomes 8x. For next 5 years, interest will be 8x, it becomes 16x and so on. If you see, if it is doubled in 5 years, it becomes 4 times, that is 2 square times in 5 to 10 years. It becomes 8 to 2 cube times in 3 5 15 years. It becomes 16 times, that is 2 power 4 times in 4 5 20 years. Let's take up one more case. Suppose if it is becoming trebled, in 5 years it has become trebled. How it becomes trebled? X rupees principal is becoming 3x, means it earned 2x interest. Principal is x, interest is 2x, means the total amount will become 3x. Now for the next 5 years, we calculate interest not only on the initial sum, but also the interest accrued, that means on the total 3x. For 1x is giving 2x interest, means 3x will give you 6x interest, it will become 9x. For next 5 years, we'll calculate interest on 9x. As I said, if 1x is giving 2x, 9x will give you 18x interest, it will become 27x. For next 5 years, you can see here, 1x is giving 2x, 27x will give you 54x, it will become 81x. And you can see here, if it is trebled in 5 years, it becomes 9 times, that is 3 square in 2 5 10 years, 27 3 cube in 3 5 15 years, 3 power 4, that is 81 times in 4 5 20 years and so on, right? So this can be summed up like this. At compound rate of interest, if a sum becomes k times in n years, maybe 2 times or 3 times, it becomes k power a times in a into n years. You can see here it's becoming double in k times, means it is becoming double in 5 years. It is becoming 16, means 2 power 4 in how many years? 4 into 5 20 years, right? So we'll apply this in a couple of questions. If a sum gets doubled in 6 years at certain rate of compound interest, in how many years the sum becomes 8 times? It becomes doubled in 6 years. We are asking 8 times, which is nothing but 2 cube times. 2 cube means it will be 3 into 6, 18 years. Simple, no? If we know the shortcut, we can answer the question in quick time. Let's take up one more. This we already discussed in that introduction. If a sum becomes 3 times itself at certain rate of compound interest in 5 years, so it becomes 3 times in 5 years. Now I am asking 81 times. 81 times is nothing but 3 power 4 times. As I said already, 4 into 5, 20 years. Right? For more on compound interest and simple interest, please reach me on my Udemy profile. The link is given below, where you find a course on how to ace arithmetic, which consists of percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest basics. Thank you.